How to find categories settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find categories settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in top corner, click on it and then just click pages, uh, and now just select your page, and here just scroll down until you find about and click on it, and here you will find your categories. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage it, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.